Federal allocations of monoclonal antibody treatments for COVID-19 are on hold pending updated data from the CDC. News 10's Elise Corville explains the decision to cease state allocations and what's next for COVID treatments. Elise.
Hey, Dalfred, and the decision to pause further allocations comes after studies show Omicron's resistance to the current antibody treatment. However, there is a new treatment and it appears to be effective against a new variant, but the state is only receiving very limited supply. The Louisiana Department of Health has paused monoclonal antibody treatments for COVID-19 because of a federal decision to stop allocating supplies due to its efficiency against the widely circulating Omicron variant.
We're now having to switch to a new monoclonal antibody product. And it's just taking a little while for us to get the supply that we need.
Monoclonal antibody treatments are a pharmaceutical intervention used to treat people who are infected with the virus that causes COVID-19. The treatment can prevent severe illness, hospitalizations, and even death in high-risk patients.
It's not just one blanket medication that can treat all of these COVID variants.
The state previously offered different monoclonal antibody treatments that have been suspended indefinitely.
The monoclonal antibody infusions that are effective against the Delta variant, Regeneron and one BAM is how we refer to it.
Region 4 Medical Director Dr. Stefanski says recent data shows that those two treatments are not effective against Omicron and its mutations.
As the virus has changed, when we see these variants, these treatments have had to change a little bit in order to most effectively treat whichever variant is circulating.
Monoclonal antibody treatment Sotrovimab has shown to remain effective against Omicron. However, Louisiana has only received a limited 228 doses.
Those will have to be prioritized to the people at most risk.
The limited doses have been distributed to select hospitals across the state. Dr. Stefanski tells News 10 the treatment will be in scarce supply, but says as soon as it becomes more widely available, LDH will reopen most treatment sites.
Because we don't have a treatment in great supply at this point to offer you. So I think the message is about being cautious.
And Dr. Stefanski says additional rollout of the treatment is expected at the beginning of the year. In the studio, Elise Corville, KLFY News 10.